You know what time it is. Once again, I shall hold another execution. However, before this execution begins, I would like to give you all an announcement about my whereabouts on Wattpad. Yeah, I'm banned. See, I'm refreshing my page. Dude, my account was like deactivated. I'm pissed. Here we go. Here's the story about how I got banned on Wattpad. So, I received this email one Thursday night saying that my stories were removed for restricted content. Now, first of all, that is complete utterly bullshit, and I do not believe it whatsoever, because I have read the Wattpad community guidelines, whatever the hell it's called, and I can guarantee you that 184 of my stories, yes, 184, this right here, one group of 17, another group of 17 stories, and this, I literally counted 150. And then you add all of that together, and you get 184 of my goddamn stories were removed from Wattpad for violating their, content guidelines, whatever the fuck. And I guarantee you, 100%, that is not the case. This looks like it was, a spam report, and if some of you guys know, I've been harassed by this one person online since, I don't even know when, a few months ago, and they tried to get me, first of all, they stole my art on DeviantArt. I did not appreciate that at all. And then I submitted, a ticket to DeviantArt, and then they got banned, thank God, and then they found my Wattpad, and apparently, I have no evidence to support this, but it's just, an intuition, just my gut feeling, and I have a feeling that they spam reported, 184 of my stories, and got them all removed. So then after I get almost all of my stories removed, I get this email. I'm banned for explicit content. They didn't even say why I was banned. It just says explicit. What is explicit about this? It's just one freaking word. So what I did was I submitted a ticket to the Wattpad support, and so they got back to me a week later saying it's closed forever. My account is closed forever, and I am not coming back because the user actions that were linked to the account they get, the account, if I make another account, I'll get banned again. Probably not under the same email, but they could probably find me out again, and if they're, really, 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 retarded about it, then I'll probably get banned a second time. So, all of the stories, I was still somehow miraculously signed in on my phone. I couldn't see my profile. The only thing I could see was, things that I saved in my library. I could see my messages, but I couldn't send or receive any, and I could see all of my drafts and all of my published stories, so I put all of them in a Google Doc. All of them. Literally all of them. Even, all the published stories, all the drafts, everything, it's all in my Google Docs and it's all saved. So you guys don't have to worry about any of my works being deleted because I have them all and they're all backed up. Thank God, because I was, scared shitless when I got this email. And so, last night, I created an archive of our own, and this is it. Username, Dio's Left Thigh 69, and right now I have 2 stories, and they are both awesome. See, right there, it says ass. That's how you know it's awesome. So now that I told you about where I was on Wattpad, let's begin the execution. Damn, boy, he thick. You shall suffer the same fate as a Bacchio. The cheese ball of death. Goodbye. Guys, I cannot express to you how absolutely repulsive the smell of those cheese balls are. Literally, it is 2 months past the Best Buy date. They reek. Oh shit, I actually broke it. Uh-oh. His hand fell off. I need to do surgery. I did it. Now it's time for the rope. He and Baki are best friends. Oh my god, Wattpad, how did you get in my house? Fuck you! Ooh. Fuck you, Wattpad. Oh yeah, rip you apart with my feet. That's the power of feet. Fuck you, Wattpad. Guys, I can really tell you now, I feel so much better after executing Wattpad. Thank you for watching this execution, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. I did too. Subscribe if you want to lose your male pattern baldness, and follow me on AO3.